everyone, welcome back to our garden. So today I am going to show you how I protect my plants from gophers. One thing I do is make basket cages for the plants to protect the roots. But before I show you, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate that.
Here's what you'll need: a 3-foot by 5-foot piece of hardware cloth. I'm using 1/4-inch mesh, but you can also use 1/2-inch mesh. We bought this at Home Depot. Your local hardware store will have it also. The tools for the job include a pair of thin snips to cut the corners, a ruler, a marker, some pliers, and for hand safety you should wear gloves.